If you're an ambitious person trying to do great things in life, but your reality has still not caught up yet with your views, then this video is for you. Here's the truth, guys. Whatever thoughts you have running in your mind constantly 24/7, they have the potential to manifest into reality. But it's just a matter of time, guys. Think of your thoughts as planting seeds. But here's the catch. Planting those seeds aren't enough. You have to take care of it, water them, nurture them, make sure it's getting plenty of sunlight, and only then you can start seeing it to grow. The same principles apply to your life, guys. Thinking isn't enough. You have to take action. Your thoughts need nurturing and they need consistency. Here's an example, guys. If you plant a seed and you do not water it and provide it with plenty of sunlight, what will happen? Will it grow? Of course not. Yet most people plant a seed, do not take care of it, do not nurture it, and do not even pay attention to it. And yet they complain and make excuses that they're unlucky. Well, my friend, you did not water it and you did not take care of it. How can you expect to reap rewards, right? Now here's something you need to understand, guys. This process works both ways, positively and negatively. If you plant positive seeds, the outcome will be positive. It cannot be negative, it cannot be in between, right? It's just a universal law. If you plant negative, it cannot be positive, because from negative seeds, there comes negative outcomes. So, you have to be really careful on what you plant, because if you plant negative things in your mind, which are your thoughts, your life will be as such. So yeah, man, if your thoughts is filled with negativity, bad habits, depression, toxicity, your life will be exactly as such. And on the flip side, if you think about positive things, your life will be positive. However, you have to have this in mind. Whatever you plant, it doesn't turn into a tree next day. It has processes and stages, right? First, you plant the seed, and then the seed becomes a small sapling. That sapling turns into a plant. That plant takes years to grow into a tree, and that tree takes some amount of time to produce flowers, and that flowers turn into fruit, and that fruit has a particular time to harvest, and then, my friend, you shall reap the rewards. And yet people think that, oh, I planted a positive seed today, which are your thoughts, your ideas, and you want results next day. You want instant gratification, man. Why? Because you're a fucking dumbass scrolling on Instagram, TikTok. Your brain is constantly getting dopamine hit after dopamine hit, and that's why you cannot have patience in your life. Greatness takes time, guys. Understand this. You cannot expect to get a tree out of a seed you planted yesterday, right? It's such a simple principle, it's common sense. But when it comes to your business, your personal brand, or whatever goals that you have in your life, why not apply the same principles? So what I'm trying to say is, your thoughts are powerful, guys. They literally define your reality, and they literally define who you are. So guard your thoughts and guard your future, and also make sure you're patient. Just now we learned about the seed turning into a plant and so on, and that process takes time, right? Greatness takes time, and you have to be patient. I mean, let's be honest, man. If God blesses you, your plant might turn into a tree. You've seen a lot of success stories on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and all these kids earning millions of dollars every single day. Well, that might happen to you. Who knows? However, you have to be patient anyway, guys. Regardless of the situation, you have to be patient. If the blessing comes to you, great, fantastic. Reap the rewards. If it doesn't come, understand this law that it takes time. Greatness takes time, and that's okay. As long as you're moving forward, one step at a time, you're always evolving, you're good. And this brings me to the next point. Your environment matters a lot, guys. I mean, think about it. Seeds don't grow everywhere, right? They need the right soil and the right environment. And this applies to your life itself. If you're hanging around with losers who take drugs, who are addicts, who have bad habits, you cannot expect to grow in that environment, because they're always pulling you down and they will get you involved in that, right? Here's a picture, guys. You see that? One bad fruit causes the entire environment and ecosystem to collapse. So That's why I'm saying your environment matters a lot. I want you all to re-evaluate your friend circle and whoever you hang around with on a daily basis. Analyze, guys. What do they talk about? What are their interests? Are they helping you? Answer these questions. If they always gossip, complain, make excuses, and they normalize all bad habits, then cut them off, man. Quite frankly, just cut them off. It's not worth your time. You get one shot in life, right? And your environment plays a very important role in evolving yourself and setting yourself up for success. So it would be a wise choice to cut them off and build new connections with new people. At the end of the day, man, there are a lot of incredible, wonderful people in this world, but few of them don't have the good intentions for you, and you have to cut them off. Visualization is powerful, guys. If you can see the life that you want in your mind and your heart feels it, you're already halfway there, my man. Athletes do this all the time. They visualize and imagine they win the race. And guess what? Most of the times they do win the race. They visualize the pressure, they visualize how they feel at that particular moment, they visualize the environment, every single thing. And when they enter the pitch or the ground, they already know what's going to happen, and that will manifest into reality. I know this sounds a bit corny, and I know you guys think that I'm some guru, but trust me, man, it just works. Visualization is powerful, man. Try it out. Visualize your life every single day, guys. What do you want? How do you want your life to be? Where do you want to travel? How should your queen be? How will your empire be? How many kids do you want? What kind of car are you driving? What kind of food are you eating? The books you want to read? The life that you want? Visualize everything, and that will happen. You know what's the crazy part, guys? Your mind does not know the difference between imagination and reality. When you're visualizing, you're programming your mind to believe that it's possible, and most importantly, take action. To wrap it up, thoughts, visualization, and environment are powerful, guys, but they're nothing without actions. Watering your seeds every day, meaning your work, requires discipline, hard work, patience, consistency, and making sure that your visions align with your future self. Let's be honest, it's hard, but hey, that's the name of the game. Your life is not all roses and sunshine. There will be storm coming, there will be tornadoes coming, and you have to endure it, man. If you can't endure this phase, of, you know how your life is gonna be, you know that you're gonna achieve great things, but your reality has still not caught up yet, just know that it's totally fine to feel like that, and just know that it's only for a certain period of time. In no time, your reality will catch up with your thoughts, guys. Trust me in this. If you pass this stage of life and if you endure these hard times, there's no way you cannot achieve in life. But most people quit in this stage, and that's why there's only 0.001% at the top of the pyramid, and everyone falls under it because they don't have the patience to wait. They do not want to put in the work every single day. They always think about bad things, and they always have bad self-talks. That's why they're in the down of the pyramid. But if you want to go to the 0.01%, you have to understand this concept and you have to work towards it. The Bible says this clearly, guys. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. Your thoughts are powerful, guys. And let me tell you this, if no one has told you yet, you are destined for greatness, man. Do you hear me? You are destined for greatness, and I know you will achieve great things in life. It's just a matter of time, and I know that you will reach on top of the mountain. And as always, you know it all, kings. I'm rooting you all from afar, celebrating each and every single step of yours towards success. I'll be waiting for you on top of the mountain. Let's get it.